Hey everybody, this is Josh from Track Focus Motorsports here in Corpus Christi, Texas. Just wanted to share with you another one of the exciting cars that we have in our current inventory. This is a 2006 Porsche Cayman S race car. This thing is set up. It's got a full cage. It's running on Continental slicks. You know, obviously it's not road legal, but it is ready to take out to a track day and compete. Incredible car with an amazing sound. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up. Yeah! Yeah. Be sure to check us out online at www.trackfocusmotorsports.com and check out some of the other cars we have in our inventory.